What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video, and you guys, I am so excited. This is the first set that I have ever done a refill on, so that is so exciting. I didn't remember to film the part where you guys could see like the quote-unquote retention of the nails, but there was absolutely no lifting, nothing like that. And we just went ahead. This is builder gel on her nails, so we really just had to take off the gel polish, which is the color, and then we just went ahead and I did a refill on this set with Madam Glam Light Beige Builder Gel. So yeah, I was so excited to try it, so I went ahead and with it, and she didn't mind. This set's gonna end up coming off whenever I do her nails again. We're gonna soak it off, so no big deal. But yeah, this is just basically a super simple, easy video where you guys can see like a basic refill on a builder gel set. All I did was literally add in a little bit of builder gel at the top of her nail where it needed to be filled in, and then I just did it a new color, which she got another green color, which was super cute. And then I tried to work on the shaping a little bit more. Hopefully I did better, but I tried to go for like more of an almond shape than an oval shape, since I'm finally learning the difference between the two. So drop a comment down below and let me know how you think I did. I won't bother you guys too much, but I will be back in a bit. Alright, you guys, so here you can see me going in with that light beige builder gel by Madam Glam. Sorry I didn't show you guys, but I did unbox this in a previous video, so I will go ahead and link it in the cards and in the description down below. If it's not in the card, you guys, it's definitely in the description. Sometimes I forget. But anyways, yeah, so instantly both of us could tell that there was a nice quality to this builder gel. And that's one reason why I was so excited to use it, because if you guys did see my Beetles unboxing, or the 𝑤𝑎𝑡𝑐ℎ builder gel, or if you even saw, I think on the last set that I did for her, the original set, I told you guys I have never done a builder gel set. I've done like hard gel sets and stuff like that, but never an actual builder gel set. So when I got this Madam Glam Builder Gel and I saw the consistency of it, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to try this. And so I told her, I was like, I don't want to try it because it's a different color than the one that you have, but I really do want to try it. And she's like, go ahead, do it. So I'm like, okay, because you guys know that Madam Glam is vegan. So it's 27 free, which means like it's free of at least 27 chemicals or toxins that are typically found in polishes. And it's also cruelty free, meaning it's never tested on animals. And it's palm oil free, which means it's environment friendly. So you guys, and it works really, really, really good. It was easy to work with. My cat is in the background, Pumpkin. Usually it's Molly, but today it's Pumpkin. He's whining because Molly is outside over the fence somewhere and he wants her to come back, but she won't listen. So now he's whining, which that means he wants me to go out and call for her and get her to come back. But actually, the cats had gotten grounded for a few days, and since then, when she goes out, she's like, listen, I'm going to go have my fun. I'll be back later. So the gift and the curse. But anyways, if you guys saw my Beetles video and you saw me do the first application with the Beetles Builder Gel, then tell me, what do you think about this so far from what you see? Because to me, it was much easier to work with. It was thick, but not too thick to where it was uncomfortable to work with. And I think that was what I ran across with the Builder Gel from Beetles, was that it was so thick and I liked it, but it was hard to work with in a sense that you couldn't really, like, you see how I, like, with my brush, I can do like this little spinny thing and it's really easy, and like, I don't know, you guys, it flows a little easier. Like, I can lightly tap it and it'll go where I need it to go, and I don't really have to worry about it too much. Little stuff like that. But anyways, here we have our Modelones gel polish put on for Modelones. Hey, if there's any quote-unquote cheap brand or like quote-unquote China brand that I enjoy for gel polish, it would definitely be Modelones. Yeah, I really mess with them when it comes to that. I have a whole lot of Modelones. But anyways, you guys, this part was totally out of camera. I have learned as a creator that when you're filming doing someone's nails, my greatest suggestion would probably be to have multiple angles set up, multiple camera angles set up to have like flawless footage, because when you have a customer, like sometimes they might lean forward or they might lean backwards. Well, not a customer, a client. I hate when I say customer when it's a client. But like in general, you can't control your customers no matter what field you're in. But sometimes they'll, lean forward or they'll be back. They might be on their phone. They might be talking. You might be talking and get distracted, and like, a lot can happen. So sometimes if I go out of focus, I try not to be too hard on myself about it, especially if it's on a client. If it's on myself, I'd be like, it's no excuse. You're filming, so focus. But I also realized that, like, I was thinking about creating a nail set, and I was like, I bet I could create like the best nail set ever if I didn't have to film it. Because when you film everything, you kind of have to do it ahead of time and stuff. Plan everything. When you're not filming, you can just go as you please. If you want to search for something, you don't have to film it and stop and start and all. So I was wondering what kind of nails I could come up with if I did them off camera. What if I did like some kind of memberships on my website where I did like off camera nails, but it was like I let you guys be there, but it's like me blogging myself instead of doing like nail blogging. So you're going to be seeing like me do my nails, but it's not going to be from this top down perspective. It's going to be from like as if you were in the room. Tell me if that's something you guys would be interested in, because I will be having a members only section set up on my website. Before you guys notice, slowly but surely, baby, this train is boarding. Okay, anyways, we're going in with our Madam Glam Cuticle Oil. I let her try it and she actually liked it. She loved it's a bit more oily, but she really liked that, and it is nice. It's good for like extra conditioning when you have time, like for instance right after your manicure. Anyways, you guys, I just had to edit the clip and slow-mo it because I was running over on time. But anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for tuning into my video. And you can definitely let me know what you thought of this set. I'm still learning and growing with this short nails thing, and I'm really hoping I master it soon. And also with doing nails for clients. You guys, I did nails 3 days in a row for 3 different people. I was shooketh. So anyways, thank you guys so much, and definitely send up some prayers. I'm praying for you guys, and I'll see you on a new video in a bit. Bye guys.